Ophis treikam jong District School Education Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District haka tarik nailaur kala pynlong ya jinglehkmen kyrpang naka bynta ki Nonghikai ya ka belatip kum ka 63rd Teachers Day haka jingialang bala pynlong ha District Library Mynthong Jowai. Haka ni ka jinglehkmen lawan banya donlang Lahkmen Rymbui MLA ka 7 Amlarem ubadairu Chief Advisor ka sorkar Jylla kumu kongsan ka Kong Bala Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaiñtia Hills District kum ka symbud kongsan. Uba Lahkmen Rymbui haba kren ulay ro ikinohikai halor kikam bakilale na kabenta ban sandur ya kalaway ki kana school. Hakani ka jinglehkmen lapan kup burom ru ikinohikai ki bayo ikanam District Award bakantup ika Diamond Password Assistant Lecturer Government Boys High Secondary School High Secondary but Secondary Level Emperor Gasa Headmaster ka Trangblang Government UP School Trangblang UP Level Upratap Singh Khongla Head Teacher SR Manor Memorial Government Lower Primary School Sorkar LP Level Carefully Gasa Scout Master Assistant Scout Master Jowai Open Scout Troop Batka Greco Risa Sana Guide Captain Lissy Pearl Guide Company Lapin Shong Shit Shushu Ikani Sngi Dik Jing Pen Bernya Beper Balashimenta Diki Kana School.
West Jaiñtia Hills, and she's also the guide captain of Lissy. In the following year, 1994, he was deputed to undergo a one-year training course at Basic Training Center Lahkmen, West Jaiñtia Hills, and he successfully completed the course. Sir was appointed as assistant teacher at Pyndon Government Upper Primary School. After serving 13 years as assistant teacher, he was deputed to a 2-year diploma course, assistant teacher of Mokundo Secondary School and an assistant scoutmaster of Jong. Paswet is an ad hoc assistant lecturer in political science of Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. She cleared the MPSC examination leading to her regularization in 2005. Her academic credentials
very challenging because we have to teach the student about to get knowledge, to build the character in them, more importantly, to empower them to face the world today. The student of Jowai Presbyterian High School have demonstrated how the young mind are facing the difficulties in this today's life. They have to face many challenges, anxiety, depression, so on and so forth. It compounded the role of the teachers, the burden of the teachers, how to educate the young mind, how to give them the freedom to think, to have a hope in life, more importantly, to build the good human being. It is not very easy, but I have to appreciate the teachers that they are trying their best. And the challenge, as I said, is compounded. And now the role of the teachers is not a mere BA, BEd or cluster BLed, or for the whatever may be the education qualification, your education qualification will not empower you to be a good teacher. You have to update yourself. The world is changing very fast. The most important thing now is we talked for the last 10 years that we have to have trained teachers. I'm very happy that most of the teachers, they are trained teachers nowadays. But only train will not do. Now we have to retrain the teachers. Retraining of the teachers is very, very important. Because the curriculum is changing, the methodology of teaching is different, and different method. And more importantly, the mindset of the young mind is very different. It is very difficult. That's why teaching profession, they have to retrain themselves. They have to learn, continuously learning and relearn to update themselves. Because what we are teaching today, in 3 years, it becomes outdated, and we have to update. That's why the role of the teachers now is not only stressing in schools, stressing in the teaching of the society, and be the model for society. Moreover, how to train the upcoming generation who join schools every year. This is a very, very hard job. It's not very, very easy. But I'm very happy that nowadays many teachers, they have enrolled themselves in many training programs, be online, be through Nistha or any other portal, to update themselves.